Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today's video, as I haven't done one in quite a while, we are going down a bit of a memory lane for me because I found a box of all my old Hot Wheels from when I was a kid. So yeah, thought why not go through them. It's quite painful to look, some of them aren't in the best of conditions, and I knew what I knew now, I would have kept them in that way, but good to have a look back and see where it all began as a kid. I'll start off with this truck. This isn't a Hot Wheels, but it was in the box. It's pretty cool, so I thought, why not show it? Just a NASCAR style Craftsman truck. Pretty cool. This swoop coupe for Hot Wheels. This one's in pretty good condition, to be fair. There's a swoop coupe. This little baby. Not really sure what it is. Any of you out there know what it is, then leave a comment. It's one of my favourites as a kid. So yeah, there's that one. We have another favourite of mine, the Judge Pontiac GTO. She has definitely seen better days, but still cool looking machine. If I can get one of these in mint condition, I definitely will get it. There we have Pontiac GTO, the Judge. Then we have a Buick Riviera even. There's the Buick. And we have an AMG CLK DTM. Again, another one of my favourites as a kid. In pretty good condition, to be fair. Nice one to put with my Mercedes collection. So it's got like bucket style seats in there. There's the CLK DTM. We have another orange Pontiac GTO. Pontiac GTO. We got this wagon. Fandango. Back from 2001. Another one of my favourites as a kid. wagon. And then we have this Dodge. There's the Dodge. And we have a boombox truck. It's a bit like an Escalade truck, I think. Truck. And we have Honda Civic. Civic. Lotus Elise. Tampos have definitely seen better days on some of these cars, but so there's the Lotus Elise. Charger. With the opening bonnet, it's pretty cool. Dodge Charger. And we have this Roadrunner. Got HotWheelsCollectors.com on it. In pretty good condition, to be fair. Roadrunner. Another one of my favourites as a kid is this Mitsubishi Eclipse. Big turbo sticking out the bonnet. She has definitely seen better days. There's a Mitsubishi Eclipse. We have this Corvette. And then to end part one, we have this clear-bodied Ferrari 360. So there you have it, Ferrari 360. So yeah, that wraps up part one of my going back to my childhood of my old Hot Wheels cars. Many more to show, so I will see you on the next video of part two. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and see you for part two.